Cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge design, cutting-edge safety support. We at Hyundai pride ourselves as an all-around human
Video shooting you guys? Hey, I can become your talent, you know. I can be happy, I can be sad. Hey, kakak. I want to service my car.
No worries, our system will find your vehicle records and...
Oh wait, I service my car.
Non-authorized service center.
But why would you do that? It will lead to more hassle, such as faulty judgment, inaccurate information, using parts from unknown sources, not using the latest diagnosis tools, and non-Hyundai specialists. Do you come up because of any of this? Servicing at non-authorized Hyundai service center will cost you even more in the long run.
Oh, sorry about that. Hi, I need to service my car, please.
Do you know where did you service your car previously?
Authorized Hyundai Service Center, of course.
That is the best thing to do. Here's why. Our technicians and service advisors are trained by Hyundai qualified trainers and equipped with knowledge and skills for the highest quality services. We're equipped with Hyundai-specific diagnosis tools that allows interactive communications for you and your vehicle's troubleshooting. We only use certified and guaranteed genuine parts that comes with a 6 months or 10,000 kilometers warranty period for your car. Your 5 years or 300,000 kilometers warranty can only be obtained at Hyundai Authorized Service Outlet. Our established and effective CRM system can manage all your inquiries and concern about your car. Our corporate environment ensures you a premium and safe brand experience whenever you step in. We have consistently offered special services and promotions that benefits you like discounts on parts, free service checking, sanitizing, and many more. With all these fantastic benefits, Hyundai Authorized Service Center is where you will get your money's worth and a peace of mind for your vehicles.